All right, in here I've got two toasted pieces of whole wheat bread that I ground up in the blender with a little bit of salt, a little bit of thyme, and a little pepper. And here I've got two fillets of cod that I brushed with a little bit of Dijon, and I'm just gonna lay those into the crust there. Just as kind of a pro tip here, I find it really helps if I press the fish a little bit into the breadcrumbs, and then I get a really even, really nice coating when I flip it over. There we go. Yeah, exactly. Just press it in there, and that's it. And fully coat them. I've got my two beautifully coated cod fillets here with that herb crust, and those are going into a 400-degree oven for 20 minutes. The fish is in the oven. I'm going to go ahead and make the easiest dressing ever. About 1.5 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 2 tablespoons red wine vinegar, 2 tablespoons salt and pepper. Okay, before you go any further, just go ahead and teach us a lesson. Okay, for me it's all about 2 tomatoes, 1 cucumber, 1/4 of an onion, really thinly sliced, sweet onion or red onion. Also use half a yellow pepper. If you have olives on hand or feta, those would go great in here. I'm just going to toss this to combine, and by the time my fish is ready, this will have soaked up some of this flavor nicely. Would you look at the beautiful golden crusty texture on that? Get out there and enjoy this.